Hello everyone, my name is Eduardo Pontes Cardoso. I'm from Belo Horizonte, Brazil, and I'm introducing you the project Chalkboard. What's the idea behind? It is a short game based on the chalkboard The Simpsons scene, where the Bart Simpson has to write over and over the same phrase on the chalkboard. For a user, how it will work? First, the user has to choose between three character options. The first one is Alberto, that represents Bart Simpson on the bad actions. The second character is Bart Simpson, and the other character user has to enter with your own name. For now, we will call the last character as Milhouse. After choosing character, the user will take a math exam with 5 random questions based on the character. So, if the character is Bart Simpson, it will be 5 easy math questions. If the character is Alberto, it will be hard questions. And there is just one exception here. If the character is Milhouse, the user will just jump this part of the game and will go to the last part. This is the last part of the game. It is the chalkboard punishment, where the code will choose randomly between the phrase used on the Simpsons first season and will ask the user to write 10 times this requested phrase. So it is also based on character. So if the character chosen is Bart Simpson and the user took the grade A at the math exam, he will just be free to write on the chalkboard. For all of the other options, the user has to write 10 times the requested phrase. If the user is Milhouse, he has to write just the first time, and then the game will generate the others 9 requested phrases for the user.